If you work with a lot of videos, queuing jobs in HandBrake can save you a massive amount of time. Instead of encoding each file one by one, you can set everything up, add it to the queue, and let HandBrake process the jobs automatically in order. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to queue jobs in HandBrake step by step. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open HandBrake and load your source. You can open a single video file if you only want to encode one clip, or you can open a folder of videos if you want to work through multiple files at once. Once your source is loaded, take a moment to configure your settings for the current file. This is where you choose your preset, adjust the dimensions, and fine-tune your video settings so the output looks exactly the way you want. You can change things like resolution, quality, format, and any other options you need before sending the job to the queue. After your settings are ready, look at the top toolbar and click Add to Queue. This tells HandBrake to save your current job instead of starting it immediately. If you're working with just one file, this is the quickest way to build your list of encodes. Now, if you want to queue an entire folder, click the small arrow next to Add to Queue. From the menu, select Add All. This is the faster option when you want HandBrake to create queue entries for every video in the folder without doing them manually one at a time. Once your jobs are added, open the queue so you can review what's lined up. You can click the queue button in the toolbar, or in some versions it may say Show Queue. This opens the queue window where you'll see all of your pending jobs listed in order. It's always a good idea to check this list before you begin, just to make sure the files, settings, and order all look correct. When everything looks good, click the Start button inside the queue window. HandBrake will begin processing the job sequentially, meaning it will finish one encode before moving on to the next. This is the real power of the queue feature, because you can set up multiple videos and let HandBrake handle the rest while you work on something else. And that's it. You now know how to queue jobs in HandBrake, whether you're adding a single file or an entire folder. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.